Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so this is who? New Link from New Link Production. And well, people, right about now, me have a really dreadful thing to come talk about right about now. Because another female out of Jamaica has lost her life again, people, by the hands of a man again. Really sad, people, really sad. But first of all, let me just say this before me jump into the video, right? Well, I know a lot of people are going to say, New Link, talk, no videos. Listen me. It's a topic like this, if I have the video, I can't post it. May I be honest, these videos are really dreadful. You understand? And as me post it, are the same people that report my video them and make me get licked. You get me as a people? Videos, I have them all the time, but honestly, if I do post them hit my channel down, lick it down, because YouTube is very strict. So let's get into this topic, right? This is a lady in Buff Bay, Portland, in a community called Diamond, right? It is said that this lady was at her home, right, in a evening, it's about 6 p.m, Sunday evening, home relaxing and everything, when a man just pounced up on her. And eventually, it's a man that she know. Because earlier in the day, she and this man have an argument in the town. A little dispute. You understand? So it is said that this man just come and burst one shot, hit her in the upper body. People in the community hear the explosion. Them run over there, them grab her, rush her to hospital. Arrival at hospital, she was pronounced dead. Right now, the man has not been in custody as yet, but the police do know who he is. So right now the search is on for him because people know them have the argument and people do so them go over the yard. People, this is a young lady, and it is just terrible to know that Jamaica has lost another lady. And in the community of Portland, we used to be one of the most quietest places in Jamaica. Portland has now recorded their 12 murder since the start of the year, which is not good because them should have one. People, look at this now, on a real level, on the point and New Link scale. You get me, I say? For the ladies them, you really have to be careful now. On a real level. Serious thing, not joke thing. You have to be careful. Listen, my man. You and a man have no argument. Please don't continue. If you can't walk walk it out. If you and a man in a some, you know what I mean? Something want to know, say, yo, it will lead to certain things. Please, nobody make it continue, or please don't make it reach that level there. On a real level. And I want to do that video for people to learn. Me I tell you the truth. Most of the video them, I want people to learn, to understand the thing. Zin, we don't know what really argue about. But this is just something for people understand. Because it's hurt to see how females have been lost in their life. You understand? It really sad. It's not a good look. Look at this man. Zin, a lot of women at times we know say uno intend to feel like uno can be bad, uno can be angry at, you understand, like uno feel say yo, but listen my man, no, because some of these men and women, ladies, uno cannot trust them. Zin, don't trust them. Because some of these men, they're cracky, the head no good. And you did argue with them and give them some tough chat and them can't take it and they will just come. You understand? Take it other way. So, intend to protect yourself from letting that happen to you. Please just stay away. Don't feel like, say, you have this strong pause. You get me? I say this stop pause, this, you know what I mean? Just stay away, like half away. You get me? Because it's not nice. Zin, and the man them, never stop kill off the woman them virgin. Stop kill off the woman them. Stop kill off the woman them, go to prison and go there with man. Because that enough of you are doing a virgin. Me I talk the truth now. Kill off the woman them, go to prison, go there with man. With the nasty self. What kind of thing that? When I have a beautiful woman on the road, when I have a woman have dispute, have argument, you end up that's not kill it man when you could go away and go find some other woman or go find some club, go buy some woman or do something. But intend to take care that way and kill the woman now. Now, one of the lock away in a prison. One of them go to join the gay parade and maybe and go march with them boy there. And that's what they want to do. You know, you define some say it's abomination upon them. Listen, my fans, I'm not afraid to attack nobody. I mean, name New Link and I mean say attack. So who a comment on the video before and I say, yo, New Link, you're afraid to attack. We're not afraid to attack nothing, man. Truth is truth and right is right. You understand? But all New Link I say, yo, the man them to stop, kill off the woman them. Real level, virgin. Real level. Start wasting a life, some of youth. We not a woman there. Zin, if you not work out, leave it alone. No life not done, no life not end. So your life precious and life sweet. Look upon it, man. This is a dispute, people. But most time I hear these dispute happen, there are people who together. You understand? Certain demands don't make. You get me? And once and certain demands don't make, people take it to the other level. Them take it the other way. Zin? And that's how people stay nowadays, you know. Because as me I tell you, the killing thing with woman come like is a disease sometime, you know, that's in the ear, you know, and we reach the brain cell them at these man sometime, you know. Because when we look into it, people, it come like say once the man hear say, yo, a man kill a woman now, them thinking of themselves so them can do the same thing. But if you say when a man kill a woman and they are prison, them a live in a nice life, them a live in an easy life, it aunt him no daddy. It a aunt him, it a stress him, me even a call no daddy, you know. Take back the attack on that. Zin? It a aunt them, it a stress them, you know, because yo, when them start remember back, you know, and them start look back, you know, and things start, reality start come to them, you know, and they look back and say, boom, star. Now me and my woman used to do in a bed wrap up together. My nice man, me and her used to party together. Even before 1 year ago we used to good, but 1 year things not so good. And it end up that's next year me kill her. You know, so the first year reflect back more than the 1 year when I good. And the good times start licking back, you know, because she gone and him done, you know. Him in a prison, you know, a man start pre-man touch him, you know. You see it? Man start pretty up for him, you know. Way man do him just go in there. I'm going to take bruise up on him, you know. Dead if you dead, man. You know, stop kill the woman them. And New Link Production now go stop send the message them. You know, stop kill the woman them. Virgin. Zin, there's so much woman to one man out there, over 100. What could have happened so? Zin, if a woman a burn you, where you go to stop burn, you can't stop burn. If you say you can, if you woman a cheat by you, if you say you can go tell your woman say you have to stop cheat and she go stop cheat, she go find means and ways to do it. A woman can do the man and a bunny man for all 120 years and him never find out, you know. You understand? A woman is a good cheater than a man. If not, we don't know that. The woman they more skill. See? So, what you need for the man, if you don't find out say woman are going to burn man, you don't need for all of the research, virgin. Once you're in a relationship and the trust now did it again, my youth, you better not try find ways and make you move. Because once I'm trusted that I bring a problem and them something there, more problem going to develop my youth. Once you not have trust, it's gonna be problem. Because at least the good thing though, you not trust the woman so it bring argument. If I see her phone ring, something just come to your head. If you hear one message go ping 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 on her phone, you think different. You not got things to maybe her friend at first or her family, you know. The first thing come to you as a man when you not have trust in her people. I saw you go. If I saw one strange car drop her off, the next thing to your head, and our boss carry her home who's a female, you know, is a man. You see? So if you're there in a relationship and you say trust that day again, brethren, make a move, my youth. Make a move. Because sometimes some things trigger enough on attack, so you can't work with it, and it has stress enough for you all and you can't take it no more. When you made so you can't take it no more. When you have a 2 foot for make a move, my youth, and run out. What I mean, so you couldn't take it no more. That's not gonna kill people. Brethren, when you wise up. Listen when you link and say, yo, you need to wise up. Use up the brain more. Zin, think about reality, think about life. You ever hear me, you much of my video me tell you, Nina, you ever heard of a man died and he come back and hurt it and say, yo, that did sweet, that did nice. Have you ever heard that? You never hear no man say that, man. Because dead can't sweet, dead can't nice. And while we're on earth to the day, it away nice. This away, and we make use of the life and start waste the life. Zin? We want to live till we are 150 and 200 years old. We want dead when they are 25 and 35. We want to live life. That's why the doctor tell the people them say, listen here, you don't stop eat the bag of acid them and drink alkaline. I want to follow what the doctor say and live longer. This is a New Link Production, people, and that is just a, you see it? It's a last lesson. You get this, I hope you take that part there. You understand? So, you watch the video till you read this, you miss that part there. You get the teaching this of saving a life from cancer. New Link Production, this and I mean say attack, and I mean big up everywhere, you know. When I big up the whole Caribbean, you know, I big up the whole of Europe, you know, the whole of South America, Central America, you know, the whole of Japan, the whole of China, the whole of Asia done this, so Australia everywhere. A New Link Production say Jamaica Turks and Caicos #1. Big up on yourself, people. Don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, please hit that notification button. And please subscribe to New Link Production Return channel. In that channel, you're gonna see New Link in our white pants and one blue long sleeve shirt. On subscribe to it fast, because as soon as I reach 100 subscribers on it, you know where I go start though? Live on it, because I can't go live on this because the pagan report it. And New Link man, I say attack. Big up on yourself, people. Much respect. Big up. Virgin, stop kill off your woman. Them, else not go spin another ceiling fan. They're not joke thing.